Hello, and welcome to Nadine and Izzy's ZARA shopping vlog. Zara.
Hello everybody, today we are here with clothes from ZARA. We had a budget of around $300 and each of us bought clothes of our own liking and our own taste, and this is the selection we each made, and we're going to go through each item and then try it on, show you guys what it looks like as well as the reason why we bought them.
Okay, but before we begin, we want to kind of disclose the prices. So we had a limit of 30만 원, which is like about $300. Somehow I fell in the 29만 5천 원.
My total price for all of these were 38만 원. So I went over 8만 원, but it's fine. 제 돈으로 샀습니다.
Yeah.
전 그냥 쇼핑 스타일이 마음에 드는 게 있으면 그냥 잡고 그냥 사는 스타일.
저는 the second I see something I like, I'm like the price tag, and then if it's like above my range, I'm like no.
근데 되게 달라요 쇼핑 스타일이. 그래서
Yeah.
원래 같이 안 하는데.
Yeah, somehow we were forced to do this, so that was a good experience.
Yeah, it was good.
So let's begin.
First item is this tank top, and it's really pretty. 여름에 딱 좋을 것 같아서 청바지나 뭐 치마든 뭐 다 어울릴 것 같아서 샀습니다. 근데 이 슬리브가 너무 여성스럽지만 여기 밑에가 좀 더 심플해서 샀습니다.
Mine, this one. I didn't even try it on. This looks like it's about the size of my head, so I don't know why. It's like a half. 이거 입어보지도 않았고 그냥 언니가 맞을 거라. I'm going to return this and see if I can get a larger size because it's solid like half of me. But yeah, I think it'll be cute if it fit me.
Next top, this is very similar to the first top I bought, but 이것도 봄 아니면 여름에 잘 입을 것 같아서 샀습니다. I like how simple it is and how I could pair this with a lot of things, similar to this top. But 이거는 좀 더 statement piece고 이거는 simple.
Next up, same looking thing as but in a different color. Oh, this one fits. Thank God. I tried this on. It looks good. I would just wear this with like a skirt.
Next top is this white.
That looks so basic.
근데 저도 처음 이거 봤을 때 그렇게 마음에 안 들었는데 입어보니까 진짜 이쁘더라고요. 검은색 스커트에다 입으면 진짜 이쁘고요. 뭔가 몸매 라인을 살리는 것 같아요. 이제 어깨 같은 부분. 제가 딱 좋아하는 스킨을 보여주는 것 같아요. 이 너무 많이 안 보여주고 딱 적당히. 그래서 하이 웨이스티드 뭐 치마나 바지나 입을 때 진짜 몸매 라인이 이뻐서 샀습니다.
Next one. scrunchy little top.
Ryan Little.
It was 17,000원. That's probably why I bought it.
My God. Next item. This is one of my favorite buys.
It's also the most expensive.
I didn't know. So 이걸 딱 봤을 때 그냥 너무 이쁘다고 생각했고요. 이제 나이 들면서 막 이런 거보다 좀 더 classy한 느낌으로 사는 것 같아요. 근데 it's classy, but it's still like kind of sexy, you know, with the side. 여기가 열려 있어서 뭐 안에 타이트한 거 입으면 되게 이쁠 것 같아요.
Next one looks famous. This is actually cute. It's gray. I want to pair with like white pants, which is coming up. I thought it was like a really chic look. Didn't really have much thought to it. I just kind of picked it up and it looked cute and I put it in the basket.
I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never
The next top is t-shirt. It looks like an ordinary t-shirt, but in the back,
They saw it.
it's a very pretty
Lace.
lace, see-through, 투명한 material. Anyways, so this is just like a t-shirt that is really comfy and, you know, simple for everyday school look, but you could still keep it, you know, fun and stylish. So I thought this was very cute.
Next up, this. Nadine got the here. Show that. She got the same. What is that? Oh my god! It looks like
근데
a.
너무 이뻐요. 저는 진짜 이거.
Yeah, on Nadine, but like on me, I look like. This is to the return section. These two are not the vibe. I don't know why. I didn't even try both of these on. See, you need to try it on.
이렇게 입어도 이쁠 것 같아요.
Out?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
다음 거는 드레스입니다. 이거는 저한테 좀 짧아요. 근데 색깔이 너무 이뻐서 여름에 잘 이렇게 입을 것 같아요.
Next up, this top. I love this. This is my style. Like wear it with the tank top that I'm wearing right now and some jeans. It's really cute though.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a
이게 마지막 아이템인데요. When I wear it, it like makes my body line look nice, you know? 원래 이렇게 막 flowy 같은 드레스 입으면 살짝 how would you say it?
fat.
Not
Like what other words?
not
you
fat,
want?
a little like puffy. 근데 이거는 뭔가 딱 몸 라인을 살리는 것 같아요. And I just like the color, and I feel like it's really cute for summer. 여름에 이제 날씨 더울 때 운동화 아니면 작은 카디건 위에 입으면 이쁠 것 같아요.
Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that fits.
I got this dress. It's cute, right?
It's very elegant.
It's really elegant, and then like because it cinches in at the waist, it like somehow makes her body show.
Till I go dancing till my legs go.
Then I got my favorite. These pants. It's so cute. I like the ends.
Yeah, I think this is pretty.
Yeah. One of my favorite pieces. Last
Yeah,
is this cardigan.
Oh.
Yeah. This cardigan that I'm wearing today. But the thing is, it kind of like bunches up here.
That's the look though.
Oh really?
Like
I've
the
been like
puffy
pulling
look.
it down. But yeah, this is it. It's kind of croppy though, so I have to wear a tank top with it. But
things that we bought at Zara with our budget. And as you can see, me and Isabel, we have pretty different tastes and like, I guess, things that we look for.
Philosophies, yeah, when we shop.
As you can see, like I don't have any bottoms. Like 바지 같은 거는 자주 안 사요.
Do you not wear pants?
아니 그게 아니라 나는 다리가 너무 my legs are too long sometimes for the pants, so I have to like. There's only a specific brand that I usually
would
buy. 저한테 맞는 바지 찾기가 좀 어려워서 하고 막 입어보는 게 귀찮아서 바지를 많이 안 사요.
And I just grab stuff. I think like basics. I try to like go for things that are like more easy to pair rather than like statement pieces. Like as you can see.
저는 옷을 살 때 이쁜 것도 보지만 그 옷에 이쁜 점들. 근데 제가 like I think about all the combinations that I compare with that clothes before I buy. Usually. But if it's like really pretty, 막 이런 거 같은 거 보면 그냥 상관없이 그냥 사요. I'll make it work. That's the philosophy. Hope you enjoyed this video of us introducing, what we would buy at Zara. We had a lot of fun going to Zara and like picking stuff out. And 댓글에 우리가 산 옷 중에서 please tell us what you like the most and what you think looks the best on each of us. Hopefully we get to do more shopping videos like this. It's really fun for us. We love shopping, so stay tuned for more.
Yes, thank you so much. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Bye!